Going up.
California coded.
This one's literally here and it didn't come. Okay.
I saw the elevator coming down. There should have been someone in it, but I didn't register it, so she scared me.
Inside's original.
Yes.
They're unlocked.
Nice. Are these not always unlocked?
No. Oh, these are fast.
Once you get a shot at the buttons.
Last time I came here, these were locked, and that's why I never came back again until today.
Cabs have not changed. Last time I filmed these were 8 years ago.
So we switch on top.
Yeah.
Love that jam.
These buttons, man. Did they change the call station on every floor?
No.
Oh, nice.
Maybe the other one's broken. Let's find out.
Send it down.
Listen to those EcoDiscs up there.
Oh yeah, look at that. That hasn't changed.
Let's see. I love the sound of high-speed EcoDisc motors. These are really nice. Oh, the other one's coming.
You can feel it here.
Huh. He's a noisy fella.
Yeah. Okay, I want to end on 8 just so I can get a picture of the original up and down arrows.
Mm-hmm.
If that's okay with you.
Mm-hmm.
These used to not be carded, right?
Yeah, they used to not be. This one's really fun.